Hey guys, I am Kyle. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make GTA in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So the first one that we will need is water, and then we're going to combine it with wind. And then once you have wave, you want to add fire and water right here to create steam, and then combine these two to create surf. And then once you have surf, you want to add a wave into it. And then the next one is you want to add earth right here, and then add fire into it to create lava. And then once you have that, then you want to add water and then add earth to create rock. So now that you have rock, combine it with surfer, and now you have rockstar. And then once you have rockstar, the next thing that you would need to do is to add earth right here and add wind into it to create dust. And then once you have dust, is that you want to combine it with earth to create planet. And then once you have planet, you want to add fire into it to create sun. And then once you have sun, you want to add another fire to create solar, and then add another planet to create system. And then once you have system, the next thing that you need to do is add fire into the system to create computer, and then add another system right here to create software, and then add earth into it to create game. And then once you have game, you want to go for mix it with Rockstar, and then there you have it. You now have GTA.